No, I think Bill Gates is credited with saying, if you want to find out how to do a job efficiently, give it to a lazy person because they'll find the easy way to do it. I think it was actually someone else, Frank B. Jib something, can't remember his name, but it's very true. So as I was laboriously winding up one of these ones, I was thinking there's got to be an easy way of doing this. So I found it out. Easiest way that I can find. Start with the end of your strap, wind it nice and tight. You don't need to wind that much of it. Sorry about the noise, I've got a little one walking around smacking things with the with the pipe. So yes, start it small, make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Don't have to wind that much of it. When you get to about that much, just make sure it's nice and tight. Then get a drill. Makes life a lot easier. Jam it straight into the centre, nice and tight. And you want to make sure it's going the right way. This on mine, you need it to be anti-clockwise. Then just hold on and give it a whee. Just make sure your fingers are guiding it. Just pull this off for a sec. There we go. That's made my life a lot bloody easier. And stop them from unraveling. Good old masking tape. Serve them over. Boom. And that is now nice and neat for the next time. I need to strap something down, which of course I will then strap it down and then leave these in a massive pile so they're all tangled up like usual. But at least that works. Yep.